We're now going to look at adding a calendar event in Google. So if I click on the 9 buttons, click on calendar, my calendar will come up. And the beauty of Google is it allows you to synchronize across multiple devices. So this will then go to my phone, my tablet if I had it set up on there, and my computer as well. So that makes it quite handy. We can see that the date here is the 14th. I can change the view to week view if I wanted, year view, but I quite like the month view. Here on the left hand side it says my calendars. I've got birthdays and reminders. Well, I'm not bothered about birthdays, but I could put reminders on if I wanted to, or tasks. And I'm now going to create, so I'll click on create an event, and it'll come up with the day that I'm doing that there. So I'm going to put introduction to IT. Now it didn't start on Tuesday the 14th of March. If I click on that day, it started on Wednesday the 1st of March. That's the start time, 10 a.m. The finish time, if I click that, is 12 p.m. It's 2 hours. If it was an all-day event, I would click that. This, where it says does not repeat, it actually does repeat. The course is for 8 weeks. So I'm going to click here, and I can have it weekly on a Wednesday, or I'm going to put custom here. So it repeats every week on a Wednesday, and it ends on, if I click there, it come up with my calendar, May, 3rd of May. And then I'm going to click done. And what that will do is it will put multiple entries in every week, and you'll see that come up there when I click save. I'm going to add a location, and I'm going to type in, it's at Upperby CDC, and it's come up there. And if I click on this map icon here, the map will come up there with Upperby CDC. So that's quite handy as well. I can add a description. So this is introduction to IT course for ESOL learners. Okay, I can add attachments, I can do a range of different things, I can invite people if I wanted to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save. And we can see that it's come up all the way there. Okay, so it's come up through April. Now in April though, I know that there's Easter holidays, so I know that the 5th and the 12th, it won't happen. So if I click on the 5th, I'm going to delete that, delete event, and it says delete this event, this and following events, or all events. Well, all I want to do is just delete this event. Click OK. And the same again on the 12th. I can delete this event. Okay. If I wanted to go back to the start, here we go. If I wanted to edit it, I could edit the details. I could change the color of it so it comes up tomato or whatever you wanted to do. So you can just change it so that it suits you if you need it to. Okay. This edit recurring event, I'm going to change it to this and the following event. So it's going to affect all of them. It should change the color for all of them. So we now change that. So that's quite handy if you want to have set things up in your calendar and what have you. Okay. You can also have a notification that might come up in your phone. You can set that to come up by email or notification 30 minutes beforehand, or add a notification if you need to do that. So that's quite handy for you. So I'm going to click save there. I've come out of there, and I hope you find that that's quite handy for you, and you can have different events on there.